Good morning. Okay, so hello, can you see now my screen?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Okay, good morning to all of you students, and welcome back to our mathematics class today. Today is Thursday, December 9, 11:40 to 12:30 p.m. Okay, so welcome, and I hope that you are all fine this afternoon. Did you eat already? Huh? Are you done eating?
No.
Oh,
No,
no.
my father is done.
Okay.
Is forgot
Others are still eating. Okay, so just focus your minds here in our class and follow our discussion by looking at the screen. Okay, so last time we have learned about weight, measuring weight using standard tools. So today we are going to learn in continuation of our lesson, our chapter. We'll be talking about measuring weight. Okay, so just a quick review what we have learned last time. So we know that there are many types of weighing scale, okay, measuring tools. And these are the different types of, not all, but some different types of weighing scales. So weighing scales class are devices used to measure the mass or the weight of an object. Okay, so choosing appropriate weighing scales. So every weighing scale has an appropriate objects to measure. No, we cannot use all the time the weighing scale to measure all or different kinds of object. For example, here we have this, what we call spring balance. So we use spring balance or electronic balance to measure the weight of the things we buy. Okay, and yeah, for example, we buy fruits, groceries, something like that. So this weighing scale is commonly used in the stores, in the supermarket, right? And also, how about this? Do you know what type of this, what name of this weighing scale? This is usually used in factories, right? A platform scale is used to measure the mass of huge quantities of rice and flour. Any heavy objects, one sack of rice, something like that. So this is the weighing scale used to measure huge quantities. You cannot measure or you cannot use this spring balance if you want to measure one sack of rice, right? Because the spring balance is up to 10. This example is up to 10 kilograms. More than 10 kilograms, you cannot use this weighing scale, spring balance. So the appropriate weighing scale is platform scale. Okay? So, and many more. Another example here, as we have learned last time, this is physical balance. It is used to measure the weight of jewelry and medicine. Yeah, spring balance, as we have mentioned a while ago. Used to measure some fruits or grocery items like that. And this one, body scale. This is what? It is used to measure the weight of human beings like you and me. So this is called body scale. Okay, so as I have said, there are types of weighing scale that used to measure the appropriate objects that we want to measure and using the appropriate measuring tools. So like this spring balance, we know already, right? We discussed this last time. Spring balance has markings and pointer. You can see the lines, the number, and the pointer, right? So this will tell us the weight of an object. And the balance scale has two hands. Okay, one of them has weights and the other has objects to be weighed. So you can see here in this example that is called balance scale. And let's try to look at this. As we mentioned a while ago, that we need to find appropriate weighing scale to measure the objects. Like for example, this picture here. Which one do you think is the much the suitable scales for these items here? Huh?
Okay.
So
Okay.
this is
It's from a
platform.
human.
Yeah, very good. This first. This one is
It's
platform scale.
from
So,
rice.
yeah, this one correct. So take
Yes.
note, this measuring scale, the suitable or the appropriate object is 1 sack of rice, something like this. And this one, yes,
It's
it's for human.
the kilo of human.
Yes, if you want to know our weight, you just step on this scale and you will know. We will know the weight, our weight, no? The measurement. And this one is the digital type used to measure some objects like fruits, like that.
Yes, I have two.
Ah, you have this too. Very good. You can actually try that. Okay, if you have measuring scale there, you can try the appropriate measuring tools to measure the different objects. Okay, so these are the examples. And we have learned also standard units for measuring weight in kilograms, kg, grams, G, abbreviation is G, and we have here kids. So we have learned that 100 grams is equivalent to 1 kid, 10 kids, 1 kilogram, and 1,000 grams is equals to 1 kilogram. As you have seen here, okay, just a quick review here. This small line here, okay, this one from 0, this small line is equals to 1 kid, okay, this 1 kid, or 100 grams, because 100 grams is equals to 1 kid. Okay, so how many lines here? Small lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10.
1 kilogram. So 1 kilogram is equals to 10 kids. Okay, 10 kids. Or 1 kilogram, how many grams? So 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000. Or 1,000 grams. Okay, so that's the equivalent and the relationship in the units of weight. Okay, so continue. You have here some examples. Before weighing, the pointer is at 0. Then after weighing the vegetables, you can see here the pointer moves and pointing at number 2. So measure the weight of the vegetables using spring balance. This is spring balance. So what is the weight of the vegetables? So you can see here the weight of the vegetables is 2 kilograms. Another example here, as we have learned last time. What is the weight of the watermelon in grams?
Income is 3,000
3,000
and 200 grams.
3 kilograms.
1,000.
And this one is 1 kid
One
or
kid
100 grams.
grams. 3,100 grams.
100.
No, 3,200.
Okay, so the pointer here, the color red, pointing at second line. 1, 2. So 100, 200. So 200 grams here, or 2 kids. So if you are asked to tell the weight of the watermelon in grams, the correct answer is 3,200 grams, or in kilogram, 3.2 kilograms, or in kids, 32 kids. Okay, 32 kids. Like that. Or 3 kilogram and 2 kids. So these are the different way in reading and telling the weight of an object. Okay, another example here. This one is very clear. The pointer is pointing at 4. So the weight is 4 kilograms or 4,000 grams. Another one here. This one is, what is the weight of the bunch of bananas? So as we have learned already,
It is 800 kilograms.
100 grams. So 800 grams or 0. Kilogram or 8 kids. Yes, 8 kids. If you are asked to answer or to measure in kids, so the answer is 8 kids. If in kilogram, 0.8 kilogram. If in grams, 800 grams. Like that. Okay. Okay, these are the example only. And now we will learn measuring weight in kids. So what is kid? Can you read it? Guide?
It is a unit of measurement of which it is smaller until than kilograms but greater than grams.
Okay, so the term kid used here in Thailand is a measurement of weight. Okay, kid. You cannot use this in length, huh? It's always in weight. So it's smaller unit than kilogram because 1 kilogram is equivalent to 10 kids, but greater than grams because 1 kid is equals to 100 grams. Like that. So 1 kilogram, 10 kids, 1 kid, 100 grams. All right. So let's try to measure here in kids. Look at the picture. Okay. What's the mass or what's the weight of the banana here in kids? You can see here, kids. Kids. Okay. What's the weight? What's the weight of the banana? Yes. Okay, so the weight of bananas is for kids. All right. Next, another example here. Okay, what is the weight of the apples? The weight of apples is 2 kids. Teacher, why not 2 kilogram? Because the spring balance here is in kids. You can see here, kids. If the weighing scale is kilogram, we can tell in kilogram. Okay. All right, that's it. That's correct. Okay, another example here. Another example. Okay, how about this? What is the weight of the strawberries in kids? Okay, very good. So the weight of strawberries is 1 kid. Yeah, right. Good. Easy, right? Another picture here. How about the mangoes? What is the weight? Yes, 3 kids. Right. The weight of mangoes is 3 kids. Okay. So let's go to your workbook. Let's try to answer page 146 to 147. Number 1, 146. Okay. Are you there?
Yes.
This is 146. Yeah, this is 146. Follow number 1. This is about measuring weight. From the given pictures, answer the following questions or fill in the blank here. Based on the picture. Letter A. The weight of the football is
10 kids.
10 kids.
okay.
10 kids.
So where's the football here? This one, football. How many kids? 10 kids. Okay. The weight of the football is 10 kids. Right? Kids. Okay, next. Letter B. Letter B. Okay, letter B. Table, tennis ball. What is the weight of the tennis ball? So where's the tennis ball here?
3 kids.
This one is the tennis ball. So the measurement is 3 kids. Very good. 3 kids. Okay. All right. Next. Letter C. Letter C. How about the volleyball?
5 kids. 5 kids. 5 kids.
Okay.
Very easy.
Very easy. Volleyball. Where's the volleyball here? This one. 5 kids. Very good. Next, let's go to letter D. The weight of the basketball is basketball. This one, basketball. Oh, no. Basketball is here. Basketball is eight kids. Okay, 8 kids. All right. Next. 8 kids. Let's go to letter E. Letter E. The lightest object is? Which one is the lightest object? Huh? The lightest object is letter E. The lightest. Hello. Baseball bat is 18 kids. Which one is the lightest?
Tennis ball.
3, 8. Okay, compare. Look at the smallest number here. The smallest number. Smallest number is 3. So the lightest object is
Tennis ball.
tennis ball. Okay. Tennis ball is the lightest object. Okay. Next, let's go to letter D. Okay. Which object is the heaviest?
Baseball bat. 18 kids.
18 kids. Okay. So if the question is about object class, your answer should be the name of that object, not the measurement. Okay. So take note, you should always read carefully the sentence, the question, something like that, and answer correctly based on the question or what being asked. Baseball bat. Okay. Baseball bat. Okay. This is the heaviest object. Why? Because 18 kids. The biggest number. All right. Next, let's go to, are you following? Please follow. Letter G. Let's go to letter G. Okay, letter G. The baseball bat is what? Baseball bat and football. Oh. Look at the baseball. Where's the baseball here? Run. Baseball bat is what? Compared to the football. 18 and 10. What's the correct word here?
Like is heavy. Football.
Okay, tell me the correct word here. Eh? Tell me the correct word. What's the word here? The baseball bat is blank than the football.
Have
18 and 10. 18 and 10 kids. So the correct word is the baseball bat is Heavier. Okay.
Heavier.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Heavier. Next time we will learn about comparing weight. So in this part here, we are already applying the word. Okay. Heavy, heavier, heaviest, like that. Heavy, heavier. If you are comparing two objects plus er, change y to y plus er. If you are comparing three or more, heavy, yes, add est. Okay, so you have already the idea here. And we have also opposite of heavy is light. So we will also learn that later. Okay, this one is heavier than the football. Letter H. The basketball is
Lighter. Lighter than
compared to
football.
football.
Lighter than football.
Compared to football. Damn. Lighter. Very good. That's the correct word. Lighter. Okay. Lighter. Lighter than the football. So light, lighter, lightest. Okay. You compare two things, two objects, lighter. If you compare three or more, lightest. Okay, finish. Let's go to number two. Number two. Okay, write the appropriate unit for the following weight. So we have discussed a while ago about the appropriate measuring tools. And here, let's try to find and write the appropriate unit. Is it in kilogram, grams, kids, something like that? According or based on the picture here. Letter A. The weight of the table. This one.
Kilogram.
Is measured in
Kilogram.
very good. It's in kilogram. Okay, kilogram. Kilograms. Letter B. Okay, let's go to letter B. Okay, the weight of the fish is measured in, what do you think?
Sheet.
Huh?
Sheet.
Grapes, fish. What if this fish is very big?
Kilogram.
The picture is small, huh? It's in kids, right? Kids. Okay. Measured in kids. This is the appropriate units. Anyway, you can measure this also in kilogram, but based on the size of the fish or the picture here, the appropriate units is kids. Okay. Letter C. The weight of the cake is measured in, what do you think?
Kilogram. Gram.
This is cupcake. Cupcake, right? This is cupcake.
Gram.
Cupcake. Huh? Very small. Look at the picture. Very small.
Grams.
In grams. The appropriate is grams. Very small. Yes, very small, huh? Cupcake. Right? The cupcake is very small. It's very light object. It's a light object. So the appropriate here is grams. Okay. Letter, 6 minutes more. Letter D. Letter D. The weight of the loaf bread. Loaf of
Teacher.
bread is measured
Teacher,
in.
Eat.
Teacher,
Yes.
only one. Only one.
What only one?
Bread, teacher. It
Yes.
have many.
What do you mean,
ก็
Fresh?
เป็นขีดไงขีดขีด
Okay. So loaf of bread. This one. What do you think?
ขีด
The appropriate is
Eat.
kids. Yeah. The appropriate
melon
units is kids. Do you like to eat loaf bread?
yes I love it
Okay.
ใช่
Last
ฟาร์มอะไร
letter E. The watermelon. What do you think?
melon is
Kilogram.
kilograms
Do you like to eat? Do you like to eat watermelon?
a little bit
Yeah.
A little
you
bit.
should. Little bit only. How about durian?
no yes I love durian
Maybe some of you like to eat durian and some don't like, and me too, I don't like. So you have to eat fruits and vegetables for your good health, okay, so that you will have a
like
healthy body. Okay, right, so no more. It's until letter E, and these are the appropriate
take a photo
units to these pictures, based on these pictures.
to take a
Okay.
photo
No need to take photo. You will come here next week, right? So I can check your book. Okay?
but I don't come
No worries. We can do online. You just study there. I will just give quizzes in Google Form next time when we have review. We will review the chapters coverage for your midterm exam. No worries. Don't worry. As long as you learn, you have in your brain. That's the important thing. Okay? Do you have any questions? Do you have any questions there? We have 3 minutes more. Almost time.
no
No.
If no
No.
questions, do you understand? Do you understand how to measure length? No, weight. Okay, in different measuring tools, and different appropriate measuring or units of weight. So if no questions, thank you for coming, and see you next time. Bye bye. Have a wonderful weekend.
Bye.
Tomorrow has no class, so
Bye.
enjoy your holiday. Bye. Keep safe always.
see you on Monday
Yes. Bye.